What's in the box? Oh, looky there! It's a stop sign. What shape is that? Let's count the sides. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. That's an octagon! Oh, it is so lovely. Thanks for opening the box with me. Come back again soon. Bye.